Hey, what is up you guys? My name is Catherine and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, you might have noticed that I didn't post on Wednesday. It is Wednesday right now and I'm trying so hard to pack up my dorm because I need to move out. But while I was in the process of packing up, I realized that I never actually did a video on my vanity transformation. I filmed all the footage of me putting together my vanity, but I didn't show the after or anything, and I haven't put it up on YouTube yet. So this is my ugly, boring dorm desk to fun vanity slash filming corner transformation. If you're looking to decorate your dorm room, or if you're a huge makeup lover like me and you're wanting to know how you're gonna have a vanity while you're in college, then hopefully this video helps you out. And before I get started, if you could subscribe to my channel, I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday except for this week because moving is the worst. Alright, so this is the desk before. It's just your typical dorm desk. And this is the after. It was my cozy little corner all year. So I started out by spraying the desk and coating it with windex. This allowed me to sort of slide around the contact paper before actually placing it, so that way it wouldn't lose its sticky or stick to the desk where I didn't want it to. So I pre-cut my contact paper to fit the width of the desk and it was sticking to itself, so that was fun. And I just laid it out. As you can see, it doesn't cover the full length of the desk, so I did have to cut a second piece, but I wasn't too worried about that line there. So I'm just squeegeeing out the excess windex so it can stick permanently, and it's stuck all year long, no problems with it. And I'm just adding that second piece now. I will link the contact paper and everything that I used for this vanity transformation down below. I think it was like 12 bucks for a roll, so it's a pretty good deal. So this is the after of the paper. I personally think that it looked really nice. So next I'm just adding some additional lighting because that built-in light was not gonna cut it for doing my makeup. So I'm attaching these lights using command tape. I just bought a pack of command hooks and used the tape to attach them to my desk, and they also stayed up all year, so that worked out really well. These lights are daylight white LED strip lights from Amazon. I believe it was about 30 bucks for all 4 of them. They connect to one another and you just plug them in to turn them on. This is all I used for filming in my dorm room, and personally I think they look super nice both on camera and for just doing your makeup yourself. So I would really recommend these to anyone looking for some affordable lighting to put up in their room, or if you're looking for an affordable lighting setup for YouTube. Really good investment. I love them and I'm probably going to put them up in my new apartment as well. And these are the lights turned on. They're so bright. Next I'm just adding my drawers. These are from the Container Store. They hold all my makeup perfectly. Added a little mirror. And then I just added all my makeup and skincare, and I had my perfect little dorm room vanity. Okay, so that is it. I hope you guys got some fun ideas from this little dorm room desk transformation, and I will hopefully see you guys next time in my new apartment. I'm so excited. Night, guys.